All it takes is one click to turn your ChatGPT images into animated videos. And I'm not just talking about Ghibli style animation. You can turn them into Disney, Simpsons, anime, all kinds of style totally for free. The tools I'm going to show you are crazy good. I've got good results in just 2 or 3 tries. That's how easy to use they are. Now, the free version does have 2 limitations. You'll only get 720p video and it also has a watermark. But for social media, that's totally fine. And honestly, for something that's free, the quality is really impressive. So if you want to try it before it becomes the next big thing, let's get started. Before we jump in, here's what you'll need. First, your image. If you already have one, great. If not, no problem. You can create one with ChatGPT's image tool using a simple prompt. I'll leave it in the pinned comment below. Second, you'll need audio. This is for the lip sync part. You can record your voice using a mic or you can generate it using 11 labs. Both work great. Alright, if you have your image and audio ready, let's start with something fun. We'll start with a tool called Viggle. You've probably seen it on TikTok. It takes your image and turns it into a meme. Just go to the website, upload your image. I'm using this Ghibli style one I made earlier. Then pick a motion template. You can upload your own video if you want, but I'm using one of their trending templates. And hit generate, wait a little bit, and here's what it looks like. That's my animated version dancing, and it actually works. It's weird, but in the best way possible. Now, a quick heads up. Viggle gives you 5 free animations per day. So don't go wild unless you're okay waiting for 24 hours. I learned that the hard way. Also, if you run a WordPress site, we're giving away Airlift, our free speed optimization plugin. There's no setup needed, just install it and your site gets faster. Link is in the description below. Next, let's take it a step further. We're going to make our character talk using a tool called Hedra. This one syncs your image to your voice, so it looks like the character is speaking. Again, it's totally free, just limited to 720p in the free version. Start by getting your audio ready, then go to Hedra AI. Now upload your image. I'm using the same Ghibli style one. Now upload your audio. There's a box where you describe how the animation should look like. I'm typing in talking head video with hand gestures. This helps make it feel more natural. Next, pick the animation model. I recommend Hedra Character 3 because that's what I used for all the animations you saw earlier. Leave the resolution at 720p, choose the aspect ratio you want, and click generate. Here's the result. The lip sync is solid, the movement feels smooth, and if your image is facing the camera and your prompt is clear, you'll have great results. And that's it. Now you know how to turn your ChatGPT images into actual animated videos, and completely for free. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and tell me in the comments what you're planning to animate. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one. Click here if you want to 3x your site speed. Trust me, you're going to love it. So click here and I'll see you there.